Good morning, everyone. Stephen Lee here. Yesterday, February 19th, the House Democrats released their 591-page proposed bill for that $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief package, with the hope that it passes before the end of the month. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief update in regards to the following 4 relief packages. Number 1 is the stimulus checks. Number 2 is the child tax credit. There's been some new details here, and you want to stick around to hear about that. Number 3 is the federal minimum wage. Number 4 is the federal unemployment benefits. So let's get right into topic number 1, stimulus checks. Not much has changed here with the stimulus checks. It's still going to be $1,400 for a single taxpayer. Making income up to $75,000 would receive 100% of benefits and then phase out at $100,000. For married couples, it would still be $2,800 per couple plus $1,400 per dependent, income up to $150,000, and then phase out completely at $200,000. Number 2 is the new child tax credit. Okay, who would qualify and how much is it going to be? There's some new details here. So currently, the total amount per child has not changed though. It's going to be $3,000 for every child between ages 6 and 17. And then $3,600 for every child under the age of 6. Okay, so that has not changed. But here's where it changes. The income thresholds, okay, there hasn't really been much detail in regards to what the income thresholds would be for this, would be the same as the third round of stimulus checks. Okay, so what I just talked about before, if you're a married couple and you make up to $150,000, okay, you would qualify for 100%, either $3,000 for child between 6 and 17 or $3,600 for children under the age of 6, but then they'll completely phase out if you are a married couple and make over $200,000. And this is also a new detail on how this credit is going to be passed out, okay? Half of the credit would be delivered on a monthly basis, okay? The monthly basis that they're talking about is over 6 months. Okay, from July 2021 through the end of December 2021. So over 6 months instead of a year or 12 months that we thought would be before, right? At the same time, so they're only going to be giving out half of the credit on a monthly basis, and the other half will be claimed on your 2021 tax return. Okay, so half of it on a monthly basis, half of it when you file your tax return. So for example, if you have a qualified taxpayer with 2 children between the ages of 6 and 17, they would get $500 per month from July to December. So in total, $3,000, okay? So that $500, so $250 per child equals $500 per month, times 6 equals $3,000, okay? So they're gonna get that in that 6-month term. And then this qualified taxpayer would claim the remaining half of the credit, the other $3,000, at tax time when they file their 2021 tax return. I think this is an effort to balance out those who we're really relying on the child tax credit at tax time to really offset some of the taxes that they would owe. So this is kind of the happy medium there, where they would also get the monthly benefit, but also be eligible for the credit come tax time. And I believe if you have a child in 2021 that's not included on your 2020 tax return, this is a very common question, then I believe that this will be a catch-up when you file your 2021 tax return, that if you had a child in 2021 that you did not get a monthly benefit for, you'd be able to claim it on your 2021 tax return, okay? So that's what it seems like. This is what they're proposing here. Remember, if this is the kind of information that you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. All right, topic number 3 is what will be the new federal minimum wage? The new bill would gradually increase the federal minimum wage to $15 per hour by June 2025. Okay, so that's kind of the timeline, gradually increase. If the bill is passed, the minimum wage would automatically be increased immediately from $7.25 currently to $9.50 per hour. Okay, so that would be the first increase from $7.25 to $9.50. Let's go right into topic number 4, unemployment aid. Okay, the new bill would extend the federal unemployment benefits, the weekly benefit, to August 29th, 2021. Remember, it's currently set to expire by March 14th, 2021, so in a few weeks. So this new bill, if passed, will extend federal unemployment till August 29th, 2021. Remember, they're going to also raise the weekly benefit from $300 per week to $400 per week. Okay, so that also is going to be raised. Don't forget the timing of this. They are really pushing for it to be passed through both chambers of Congress and on the president's desk before March 14th. Once again, so it kind of coincides with the federal unemployment benefits set to expire. So hopefully they're going to pass it through, and by the end of this week and by the following week, hopefully it's on President Joe Biden's desk to be signed and passed into law. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'll continue to update you with any more updates. Until then, I wish you a wonderful weekend. Bye.